Hello guys, welcome to channel Gadget. What if I told you this looks like normal glasses, but it gives you a giant floating screen anywhere, no monitor, no TV, just plug it in and boom. This is the Xreal one is. And for student and professional, this might actually make sense. Let's break it down and don't skip this video. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's go. Okay, quick and simple. Xreal one is a pair of AR smart glasses that turn your phone, laptop or gaming device into a hug virtual display. Think of it like carrying 130-inch screen in your backpack. Massive virtual display. The biggest reason to buy this is the screen. When you put this on as the hug, sharpened floating display right in front of you, perfect for watching Netflix, studying, working on the go, compared to using a laptop screen in a cafe or dorm. This feels next level. Stunner. Bigger than any laptop screen without carrying a monitor. Lightweight and comfortable. Now here's what surprised me. These don't feel heavy or awkward. They are light balanced and you can wear them for long seasons. Why more comfortable than bulky VR headsets? Good comparison. VR headset heavy and sweaty. Xreal One S glasses level comfort. Easy plug and play. No complicated setup. Just a plug into your phone, your laptop or even a gaming console. No battery to charge, no confusing menu. If you take a head case, you will like this. For students and work. Imagine this. You are in a library, coffee shop or hotel. Instead of a tiny laptop screen, you get a private massive display. For studying, coding, spreadsheets or presentations. This is actually useful, not just cool. Compared to better productivity than a simple laptop screen, media and gaming experience. Movies feel immersive, gaming feels bigger, and since the screen follows your head, you feel locked in. Compared to watching on a phone, this is a whole different vibe. Standard, foldable home theater feeling. Now let's be real, this is not a full VR headset. You won't get full VR apps like sci-fi movies. And yes, it's not cheap, but you are paying for $4. Portability, comfort, big screen for them. Honest tech, not for everyone, but perfect for the right user. Xreal One S versus normal monitor. So should this replace your monitor? At home? Maybe not. On the go? Absolutely. A monitor stays on your desk. This goes everywhere. Winner for travel and students, Xreal One S. Who should buy it? Buy Xreal One S if you travel a lot. Study or work in public place. Skip if you only work at a desk all day. So here's my questions. Would you use AR glasses instead of monitor? Comment below. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like if you want more gadget updates. Subscribe and the bell icon for more gadget videos.